Right now, blasts of energy are arriving at Earth from the far side of the universe. In just a thousandth of a second, one of these bursts can release as much energy as our sun pours out in several days. They come from billions of light years away, and for years, nobody knew what they were. They are called fast radio bursts. A fast radio burst, or FRB, is an incredibly brief flash of radio waves, the same kind of waves that carry your phone's signal and radio stations, but unimaginably more powerful. The first one was spotted in 2007, hidden in old telescope data. And it raised an immediate, dizzying question. What could possibly produce a blast that strong, that fast? At first, they seemed almost impossible. Astronomers caught only a handful, each lasting a blink and never repeating. Some were so puzzling that researchers, half seriously, wondered if they might be signals from an alien civilization. The mystery deepened with every new burst that flared and then vanished without a trace. To even study them, astronomers needed a way to measure distance. As a burst travels for billions of years, it passes through thin gas spread across space. That gas smears the signal, stretching its different frequencies apart. By measuring that smearing, scientists can tell roughly how far the burst has traveled, and the answer was staggering: billions of light years. Then came a breakthrough. Some FRBs were caught repeating, flashing again and again from the same spot. A repeating source couldn't be a one-time cosmic catastrophe like a star exploding. Something out there was surviving and firing off these titanic bursts over and over. So astronomers raced to trace exactly where they came from. The trail led to a strange kind of dead star. When a massive star explodes, it can leave behind a neutron star, a city-sized ball so dense a teaspoon of it would weigh billions of tons. And the most extreme of these have monstrous magnetic fields. We call them magnetars, and they are the prime suspects behind fast radio bursts. The evidence got stronger when a magnetar inside our own galaxy suddenly let out a fast radio burst of its own, the first ever caught nearby. It was like finally seeing the culprit in action. The crushing gravity and unstable magnetic fields of a magnetar can release sudden, colossal bursts of energy, exactly the kind of flash we detect as an FRB. Today, powerful new telescopes detect hundreds of these bursts every year, turning a rare mystery into a flood of data. And here's the beautiful twist. Because each burst is shaped by the gas it crosses, astronomers now use FRBs as cosmic flashlights, mapping the invisible matter scattered between the galaxies. So fast radio bursts turned out not to be aliens, but something almost stranger: the death cries of collapsed stars reaching us from across the entire universe. A reminder that the cosmos is still full of signals we're only beginning to understand. And if there's a space or science mystery you want explained next, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. From a single unexplained blip to a window on the hidden universe, fast radio bursts show how the strangest signals can lead to the deepest discoveries. We pointed our dishes at the dark, listened, and the universe answered. And if there's a question about space or science you've always wondered about, drop it in the comments. It could become the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Binary Brew, and I'll see you in the next one.